Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick review of the hard bags I just purchased from vikingbags.com. A really sweet looking bag. Goes very nice with the lines of the bike. Some of the features of the bag: got the red reflectors on the side, which make it nice. Also, a great feature of the bag is the fact that it locks. Plenty of room inside. Helmet, gloves, anything else you want to carry. What's also nice about the bag is they included a nice lining on the inside. Keeps everything from rattling around in there. Very nice. Also, one of the features that they have is it's got a nice trim on the inside here to keep water out. Haven't been able to try that out yet, but hopefully it works well. Also included with the purchase of the bags was a universal hardware kit, which makes it a lot easier for the install. You may have to modify to fit your bike. I had to do a little modification on mine just to make it work out, but as you can see, they turned out very nice. The bags here that I got are the lamellar slanted painted bags. Comes with a gloss finish, very nice, goes along with the bike. I guess if you want to, you can have yours painted, but with mine I don't have to. A very nice bag. I'd like to thank Vikings for coming out with something nice like this. It's the first bag that I found that actually went along with the Stryker. You guys do a great job. Keep up the good work. Thanks.